Corporate earnings and currency moves, the overlooked connection. When traders think about corporate earnings, they often focus on stock price reactions. But one critical link is frequently overlooked: the connection between earnings reports and currency moves. At FXCM, we believe understanding this relationship can give traders a unique edge in the Forex market. 1. Why earnings affect currencies. Large multinational corporations report earnings in their home currency, but generate revenue worldwide. When these earnings surprise positively or negatively, they influence capital flows. Strong results can boost investor confidence, leading to inflows into the company's home currency. Weak earnings, on the other hand, may trigger outflows and pressure that currency. 2. The US dollar example. Take the US dollar. When major US companies like Apple or Microsoft post strong earnings, foreign investors often increase exposure to US equities. To do so, they must purchase dollars, which strengthens USD. Conversely, disappointing earnings can dampen inflows, weighing on the currency. 3. Currency exposure. In corporate reports, earnings calls often include commentary on foreign exchange impacts. For example, a European company might say its profits fell due to a strong euro hurting overseas sales. These remarks highlight how currency fluctuations directly affect performance, creating feedback loops between earnings and Forex markets. 4. Trading opportunities. Savvy traders can use earnings season as a signal for Forex volatility. By tracking not only stock reactions, but also investor flows, you can anticipate potential moves in currency pairs. Pairing earnings analysis with FXCM's trading tools allows you to capture opportunities others may miss. Final thoughts. Corporate earnings are not just for stock traders. They are a hidden driver of currency moves. By paying attention to earnings season and understanding its impact on Forex flows, you can add a powerful layer to your trading strategy. Subscribe to the FXCM YouTube channel for more insights on connecting global events, corporate performance, and currency movements.